I want you come to me. Oh baby, come to me. I want you come to me.
Today, I'm celebrating John's birthday. I've also invited some of his friends for a party tonight, so let's get started. I thought I'd kick off the day by making a traditional Korean-style breakfast. I whipped up a nice spread, freshly steamed rice, miyeokguk, which is seaweed soup, some air-fried sea bass, rolled egg omelet, and a few colorful banchan. It might sound like a lot of work, but seeing everything come together is totally worth it. And I'm so glad John enjoyed the food. Next up, I wanted to add a little sparkle to the evening. I swung by the dollar store and picked up these disposable champagne glasses. They looked a bit plain, so I decided to dress them up with some ribbons. Just a quick snip, a neat little bow, and boom! Instant party vibes. I used black, gold, and green ribbons, tying them around the stems in my makeshift craft corner. It's a simple detail, but it'll make popping that bubbly feel a bit more special. Plus, each glass ends up looking handmade with love, rather than just store-bought. Of course, I couldn't forget balloons. No birthday is complete without them. I got a mini helium tank and a bunch of pastel and metallic balloons. Opening that tank knob was a mini workout. I totally failed at filming myself doing it because both my hands were busy wrestling with it. But I managed to fill 9 balloons in the end, so I'll call that a win. Before I knew it, the day was flying by. It was already getting dark. Time to set up for the party. It was a hectic morning, but seeing everything come together like this makes it all worth it. Let's get the party started.
You know, Reina was so mean. I'll tell you the story later. We did it during the COVID.
Set a timer, Matt.
Everybody, thanks for coming.
Not
Love you all.
We love you.
Oh, the new. Wait, oh, we have 2. They're coming. Wait,
We have 3 actually.
3. Happy birthday, Patrick.
Sounds right for this family. Will there be cake?
How many reps? There will be cake. There will be cake. I trained a bunch of judges.
Protein
I'm trying
cake.
to give me like cake.
Is it protein powder or cake? Who are you guys doing?
Yeah.
This is straight powder.
One together.
Okay, let's
Let's not share first,
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay. Wait, someone's here. Come in. I'm sorry. So hold on. We gotta do the whole thing again. We just All right, guys. Here's the plan, guys. I'm gonna light up and see. Here's the plan.
I will tell you. Surprise. It's great, sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear to you.
They really got me. I forgot about it. Okay.
Good job.
Alright. Alright. Let me make a wish. Everyone be really, excel and stable, happy family, and health. Yeah. How you doing? Let's see.
I brought vodka.
Soju.
Now has the vodka itch like I do. Oh god, the soju, that was really good. That was, I may have more of that at some point.
Okay, I'll make you one. Yeah. I'll make you one.
Because I mean, what is mixing? Zero calorie.
good.
I'm making a 0 calorie mixer.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, of course. This is my coach. My coach. Mental coach.
Or the Dodger.
Stop.
How much? Oh, power off. Okay, I gotta go charge. Wait, how come these youngsters know this?
Is there an airplane in it though?
Like old age, I don't know. Your turn. You can do it.
Hard to navigate though. It's like so much lower than you think it is.
Is Nick cold? Mother. Youngsters, they are all the Yeah, but you're always busy taking the dogs out. I know. And then 순이는 순둥이야. 얘랑 안 놀아주거든 애들이.